coastal sand dunes are becoming increasingly vulnerable, and it's never been more important to protect them. And these Tahatai Coast School kids braved winter temperatures to help at a replanting program in Papamoa and Mount Maunganui.
Coast Care has for the last 3 years been successful in planting 80,000 plants.
Good boy.
The students planted 2 species most commonly used in the area, pingao and spinifex. Coast Care Manager Paul Greenshield says part of the initiative is to educate young people on the importance of the dune system to local residents.
It's important because they are the next generation. The ecosystems that they support here are massive. We wouldn't have our roads, we wouldn't be able to live this close to the beach if we didn't have a healthy dune system.
Coast Care is a partnership between 5 coastal district and city councils and the Department of Conservation. Over the past 25 years, volunteers and school children have helped to plant over 1 million native plants along our coastline. Jaden McLeod, Local Focus.